decentralized.
Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today, first and foremost, want to say what's up to everybody on this Friday night. Gonna do a nice little update on the market, some of the things that we're seeing, why there's so much fear in the market, and what I'm thinking is going on as far as the next couple of weeks, what we might be seeing in this market, and how I'm going to play it. So if you're excited about that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you are new here, check out my website, everythingcurrencycrypto.com. Got merch, got NFTs, got a whole bunch of stuff on there for you to check out. Also, if you want to get into my Telegram group, let me know in the description box, in the comment box, and I will get you right into that. So this market is looking pretty fearful. This is the most fear that we've seen in this market in a while, down at 16. It still could get a little bit lower though if the market gets a little bit more dippy, which it could next week, but everybody's saying that it could get dippy, so I'm starting to feel like maybe the max pain scenario won't really play out to the max pain, although these altcoins have been seeing some pain already. But looking at the fear and greed index, we're just getting more and more fearful, and for good reason. Right here, this is the weekly chart of Bitcoin. Remember, I was telling you guys, hey, for me, the 34 EMA or the 34 moving average is one that we need to hold, and we are not holding it as of right now. So we got about a day and 21 hours as of recording this video to get back above, let's just call it 49k. We got to close this week above 49k, or things could get a lot more bearish and come down and start testing like the 44k level. But if we were to remove all this stuff from the chart, and we just look at these lows, we have our low here at 31k, then we have a low here at 43k, and then right now we have a low of 48k. So as long as we close above this 43k, the trend is still an uptrend. You can see that here the trend is going up on the weekly. Unfortunately, if we move the chart to the daily, we can see that, hey, we are having lower lows here, so we are in a downtrend. We have been in a downtrend since November 8th. That's the downtrend that's going on right there in Bitcoin. So hopefully we can get a higher high and try to get back above 56k, but it's not looking too good right now on the daily chart. If we bring back up this 13 and 34, we are below both of those moving averages, and that's the first step that I want to see us get back above. This red line here is also the 21-day moving average, and we are also below that. The 21 moving average is also a moving average that signifies whether we're in a bull run. Usually going to the weekly, you can see we tapped out on the 21, couldn't get back above it. Now we're dropping below the 34. That is not good. Need to close this week above that. Going into the total 2, now this is all the altcoins. What I see here is that this chart looks like it's about a week behind Bitcoin. If you see it coming down like that, it's a little bit behind Bitcoin, but hey, it's looking like it wants to follow what Bitcoin is doing. So it's getting support from the 21 moving average as of right now, but at any moment that could drop below, and if that did drop below and it tried to come and test the 34 moving average, that will be very ugly to see in our altcoin bag. So again, watch your altcoin exposure. Make sure you take profits when things go up, when things recover, and stuff like that, because you don't want to get caught holding these bags in a downtrend. So far we have a 4-week downtrend going on right here. There are some coins that are showing up and showing their ass and getting some nice gains going, but for the most part, hey, everything is in a downtrend. Fear and greed is saying, hey Jay, you know what, you should go looking for some coins to see if things are going to recover. If things recover from here, we could see a nice big increase in the altcoin bags, but I still think, hey, there has to be some more pain, maybe another wick below, and maybe back down to tap the 34 moving average. But we haven't dumped too hard yet, because it could get worse. So I'm hoping that we kind of just hold these levels for a couple days, just kind of go up and down for a couple days, and we'll be all right. Looking at the Bitcoin dominance, now this thing is showing a downtrend right here. So interesting thing is, like, money is not trickling into Bitcoin as much. Yeah, we had a little bit of an increase right here this week, but people are still putting money into altcoins over Bitcoin. This thing is still going down. It's still getting lower here. all of these fears and stuff might be warranted with the whole Evergrande news. So Evergrande is one of the largest property developers in China. I'm sure you've been hearing about it, but they just defaulted on all of their debt. And the fear is that we have some stable coins that are backed by some of this debt, that it's just going to go up into the vapor. So that is going to be bad for the crypto market. That's why we're so fearful right now. In the long term, this will blow over, but it is something that possibly could be something that we see on the radar for the next couple months, and it could get bad if things starts trickling around other markets and trickling through other businesses in China and stuff like that. So this is something that we have to keep an eye on. The stock market actually responded not too bad to this news today, so we'll see what happens come Monday when things open back up. A lot of people expected a free fall when this news hit, but I think it was a bit already priced in. So before we get out of here, one thing that I want to talk about is the Eververse hoverboards dropped today. This is my hoverboard right here, number 5991. So if you guys know, if you watched the channel before, you might have seen me talk about the Eververse hoverboard. Shout out to you if you held one of the NFTs and you got one airdropped for free today, and you can race these on the game right now, and it's going to be play to earn soon. So when it comes to NFTs with utility, I don't understand why Eververse is still one that is very undervalued, because they have a ton of utility and a ton of things going on, and they've been meeting their roadmap and different things like that. So I am bullish on the Eververse project, or not I wouldn't say bullish, but I do like the project. If you do have an Eververse NFT, which are these NFTs here, then you can go ahead and check and see. Well, you did get airdropped a hoverboard. Check your hidden folder. That's probably where it's at. So real quick video today. Just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about this bearish market, watching my altcoin bags and going coin hunting, looking for something to put some funds into for if this thing recovers. Let me know what you guys think is going on here. Do you guys think that the bull run is over? For me, we haven't fell below the 34 and closed there yet, so that is something that I hope doesn't happen, and that's what I'm going to have to see to answer that question. So like the video, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. RIP to Crypto Root. Shout out to everybody that sent me some birthday wishes yesterday. Shout out to you guys, I appreciate that. Think positive, and positive things will happen. Till next time, peace.